My name is Gene Keck. I've been an employee of Alpha Baking Company for 30 years. I'm in charge of direct route sales. Alpha Baking Company travels 175,000 miles per week. This location, we travel 35,000 miles weekly. Alpha Baking's been experimenting with alternative fuels for the last 10 years. We operate 22 step vans that operate on propane AutoGas. By doing so, we would cut our emissions by 50% by switching from diesel to propane AutoGas. Our propane provider has been a real great partner for us. We bought our fuel station from them, they installed it, and when our tanks hit a 30% level, they send a truck out automatically to refill our tanks. Our drivers prefer the propane AutoGas in comparison to diesel. It has a little more power than the diesel truck. It's a smoother ride and it's a quieter ride. We feel using propane AutoGas is the right thing to do for the economy. We're reducing emissions every time we use a gallon of propane versus a gallon of diesel or gasoline. Everybody should get involved in some type of alternative energy.